After the incredible victory of Maidan, Putin was white hot at the collapse of his Soviet Union too, his Eurasian Customs Union. Without Ukraine, it was nowhere. So he invaded Crimea, first with green men, then regular forces, helped by the Black Sea Fleet. Then Putin sent thousands of tourists into the east, the Donbass, to overthrow the government, take over government buildings, protest, and subvert the Ukrainian government. Ukraine had enormous problems fighting their big brother, protector, oppressor, ruler, Russia. The Donbass was lost, the country tragically partitioned again. Millions of refugees flooded out of the east, where gun-toting thugs would rob at will. By the time Ukraine started fighting back in June with a new president, thousands of Russian tanks, artillery, and missile systems were in the east. They took back half of the Donbass, but the Russian forces and the brand new equipment was just too strong. The war dragged on for another 4 months, through 2 ceasefires, but maybe 15,000 had died, with many more wounded, on all sides. I had 3 friends killed, and 12 acquaintances. Noted Ukrainian director Igor Parfenov, who created 2 award-winning movies about Maidan, has a movie project to illustrate the terrible scourge of all wars, PTSD, the endless replay of the intense horrors soldiers saw. Non-stop shelling, friends blown to pieces, Ukrainians abandoned in cul-de-sacs to be slaughtered 3 times. Like American wars in Iraq or Afghanistan, a quarter of the soldiers can't forget the horrors, can't move past the nightmares. Thousands of Ukrainians lose their jobs, homes, families, and wind up killing themselves, unable to stop the poisonous video loop replaying in their brain. 23 U.S. vets kill themselves a day. In 7 times smaller Ukraine, 2,000 vets have already done that. We are asking for help, for contributions to illustrate this terrible affliction that makes wars last for years and years after the last shot is fired, to display it so that these heroes that defended their country so nobly can be made whole, repaired, and given back their life. Help us make this movie and show this war, the lasting effects of war, and the futility of all wars. Thank you.